This is an introduction to SEO by official Google documentations. You can make sure the right people are viewing your content by making your content search friendly. What actually Google mean by the right people is the right audience who are looking for the same product or service that you are offering. You actually do not need millions of views on your website or your Google business profile, but you need a few potential views who are actually looking for the service or product to buy. So this is what Google means by the term right people. Search engine optimization, or shortly SEO, is the process of increasing the visibility of website pages on search engine in order to attract more relevant traffic. So again, Google is pointing toward relevant traffic, which means the traffic that is genuinely interested in your product or service. What is SEO? Search engine optimization is the process of making your site better for search engines. It's also the job title of a person who does this for a living. Yeah, someone like me. You may have heard someone saying that we just hired a new SEO to improve our presence on the web. SEO is a long-term organic method of ranking on Google or Google Maps. On a small business and don't have much time to put into your website, it's worth learning the basics of managing your presence in search engines. A little knowledge can go a long way toward helping people find your site. Yes, that is completely true.